Welcome. Today we'll be discussing what was behind the Solana price pump yesterday. So those of you who are in the ecosystem, you may have seen a dramatic increase on the price of Solana yesterday between the 29th and the 29th and the 30th yesterday. And let's have a little look into that and let's give you some answers of why this happened. What was behind this? I did try to find some information about liquidity that was going into the market. I unfortunately haven't got any on-chain data I was able to access. Haven't got any of those plans and things, but maybe in the future we'll be able to access that information and see where the inflows were. But we're just going to have a little quick look here at CoinGecko, looking at the 1 hour timescale. And so Solana was just slowly going down, and just from where it was about 1755, and this was on the 24th, and it was kind of going down. The Solana monkey business, so the monkey DAO that owns the Solana monkey business IP, they had a raffle coming up, a very highly anticipated raffle, public sale and pre-sale, well, actually gated to the monkeys, and pre-sale applicants who were the monkeys, and then there was a public to everyone, and this was actually a really great tactic, a public raffle. And in the raffle you would get refunded if you did not win the raffle. You were either going to get a barrel sent to you that has the monkey inside, or you're going to get refunded. So it was a win-win situation, so people were flooding in, and that was on the 29th 24-hour raffle was taking place. So we can see here when we got to the 29th at midnight, the price started to turn around, and it went up and up and up and up and up, and eventually by the time we got to the 30th, 5 p.m. or 5 p.m. UTC time, we actually hit past 25%, 25.9. Incredible in the 24-hour period. Absolutely incredible. I mean, I didn't know it got that high. I remember waking up yesterday morning and seeing it go up into the 18s, and it's like, oh, okay, wow, we're at 14%. And that was like yesterday morning at Coffee and Gary Club, and hanging out with the giraffe, and just, we're just like, oh, it's pumping now. And I thought, oh, what is that? And have a little look into it. So people trying to ape into this raffle, but it went on and on and on. It's getting corrections now, which is to be expected. That kind of price action. People who weren't involved in the raffle, people that were just holding or trading Solana, you have made a real incredible gain there. If you had been even DCAing even before that point and then sold some on the way up, you've made some decent dollar there. So let's have a little look into the 1 day. So we're still, we're lower than we were in March still. We've still got a long way to go to get to the point where, you can see here, we got the FTX crash. That was in November. We came down, we came up a bit, and we kind of hovered. We've been sideways for a long time, dancing around 25 to about 18. And then we had a little bit of a drop. I can't remember what this was caused by on the 5th, but we have had a bit of a drop that we're just trying to come back up from. So we've still got a while, and let's have a little look at what articles have come out. So this article is a bit out of information. It said 16%, maybe it was 16% at the time of writing, but as you saw in the chart, we got the 25. Won't bother reading all this blah, 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 because stuff you already know about Solana. Here I thought was interesting. So we've got resistance. So analysis of potential price to surpass 22.27 level. So the daily chart shows the important levels of SOL price movement. There might be some resistance around the 22.27 if the surge goes higher. So that was the surge that we're currently experiencing at the moment. It has not gone past that. It's now starting to come down. Supporting buyers could push the price even higher given the more gains. So we do have resistance, strong resistance between that 32 to 28 area. And let's have a look. If we just go into another article here, I think I have a good chart here. So this chart here also on the bigger time scale. So we've got that support level that you spoke of a moment ago. We can see here we have fallen below it. This is after FTX, we're hitting below it. We were struggling. Remember I said about the 22 to 18 price range. We were struggling struggling to break through that very strong resistance between the 30, what did I say, 32? Yeah, the 32 and the 28. But we're starting to turn around now. If we can get past that point, if we can break past that strong resistance, we could be up. Definitely could be up. We could shoot up. By the time we're getting through the summer, we could have another Solana summer coming back up, and it'll be really great. We're still in a bear market. We're probably going to be a long time until we see those hundreds, $200 ranges, but optimism. So yeah, let's dig a little bit more into Solana monkey business and the monkey DAO, Solana monkey business, SMB for short. And let's have a look at what that was all about. So the raffle, if you're not aware about it or aware about them, we'll discuss that in a moment. So let's get a bit more stats on what happened yesterday. So as well as Solana itself as a price action, people had the liquidity, they were buying into Sol. Obviously traders will be doing their thing as well. So we've got a lot of people getting into Sol to be able to buy for the raffle. NFT trading flipped Ethereum. So Ethereum in that 24-hour was flipped by that for the first time ever. In terms of volume, in terms of monetary USD sales and volume, for the first time ever, Solana flipped Ethereum. That is incredible. That is something really bullish for me, especially those who are building Solana, who just love Solana, who just love the Solana community. It's great vibes, face-to-face meetings, real life stuff. Breakpoint. It's just a good ecosystem, I feel, and the things you could do on Solana is great. But I'm not a Solana maxi. I mean, I'll use other protocols, other things, but quickness, cheapness, building cool shit, using cool stuff is why I stick with Solana. So we can see here, this was posted yesterday on the 30th of June, and that period of the 24 hours between the 29th and the 30th, during all this pump, we had the sales of, now what we got here is 25 million. So $25,565,000 worth. A little bit more info. Let's see that. So with the Solana monkey business, their raffle of the Solana monkey business for Gen 3, 1 million. That's 1 million Solana was collected in that raffle. 1 million Solana was collected in the raffle. Hey, welcome viewer. Thanks for joining us. And yeah, that's just mad, mental. So you've seen that price action, 1 million Solana collected. I read somewhere on Twitter, couldn't find it before this video, that 0.1% of all Solana that exists, all Sol that exists, went into this raffle. 0.1%. Mental, absolutely mental. So that was yesterday. I wasn't able to get into the I was not able to get in a winner into the raffle, but I have today, thanks to RainFi, been able to get a ape now, or buy now, pay later on a barrel. I'm holding the barrel. I would love to get the utility, love to be part of the community. Holding the barrel currently does give me access into the Discord. See if I can get into that for you. Now, in the meantime, I won't be holding it. I won't be keeping the barrel because I do have to pay back the loan against my OK Bear. And yeah, just basically pay the buy now loan, but I can do an instant sell. So I'm going to be waiting for the price to maybe get to 50, somewhere between 50 and 70. So I think that's quite doable in the next 2 days between now and Monday. The Monday is going to be the reveal, and I'm able to do an instant sell on RainFi to do that. So then that will just pay the lender their loan, and then I can keep the difference, and obviously I'll pay back the loan that I've got on my OK Bear, and then whatever remains. So I'm hoping out of all of this, I can maybe make anywhere between 10 to 20 Solana, which would be incredible to have that much Solana, I think, at this point for me, considering the price at this point in time. I wouldn't want to be paying, unfortunately, wouldn't want to be paying that if I was DCA in. So this is a really good play, really good opportunity, and hopefully that risk to reward pays off for me. So let's see if we get into the monkey business Discord. But before we do that, let's just go to the Twitter. So if you're not familiar with Monkey DAO, it's basically experiences and real life meetings, and just it really attracts a lot of community, building community of Solana. Solana Monkey Business as an NFT, the Gen 1s is one of the earliest NFTs on Solana. So really gravitated those early adopters, those early devs, and the DAO was formed, and the DAO came up with a Gen 2 collection to make it more of a aesthetically pleasing PFP. And this is the Gen 3 that's coming out for fundraising. After they bought in March, they purchased the IP rights for the Monkey Business IP, and that was purchased off HadeSwap for considerable multiple millions. So yes, this is to get that all paid off and clear some debts and things like that. But yeah, I mean, the monkeys are cool, man. Like, I'm not a big fan of pixel art, but I do have to say the monkeys, I vibe with it. Like, I haven't vibed with the punks. There's some other stuff out there I haven't been vibing with. But monkeys, they're great. Their little smile, that cheeky little smile, just brightens up your day. And yeah, it'd be awesome to have a monkey and just be able to rock up with these people. So it's not going to happen today, unfortunately. I am going to have to sell the barrel when I hit my targets, but we will get a monkey at some point, I'm sure. I'm working my way up into the Solana ecosystem. Got myself, obviously got a big bag of giraffe. We're new kids on the block in terms of Solana and Web3, but we're doing everything we can to tokenize economies, help creators make money, education. If you are a creator and you want to monetize yourself and tokenize yourself and make money from creating and run your business and do your coaching, I have to say, get a draft today. For that, you get so much access to so much coaching, so much training, so much help, so much resources, live events. It's just worth it. For the price that they are currently at, you're going to steal. You really do. So make sure you check out Gary.club. Make sure you check out Gary.club and read all about the Gary Club. And if you want a giraffe, get yourself on Gary.club/giraffe. So let's see. Is this Discord going to open up for me or not? What's going on with you, man? Let's see. It would help if I had my Discord actually on the window you guys can see. Get in there, going on. Is it gonna load? Definitely need a quicker computer for sure. Here we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh no, don't make me afraid. No, yeah, you coming? Right, here we go. Let's get into it. Monkey DAO. So I have verified my barrel. Come on. There we go. Okay, so here we are in the Monkey DAO. So Monkey DAO, we've got access to the channels, the welcomes, the GMs, we've got the announcements. So this stuff up here, some of that was public yesterday before I had that. We've got a sales marketplace, the OTC trades in the chat, Gen 3 hype, Monkey Alpha. So that's going to be definitely a good place to get some alpha today. Trading, developer AI, job postings. That's going to be a really good one for me to look at in the next 2 days. stuff about Breakpoint, got Town Hall text, Mint calendar, the Barrel DAO, and other miscellaneous things. So yeah, definitely gonna have a great look at that. Check that out. Try and connect with some cool people as the monkeys, make some friends, and then we'll go from there. Make sure that you hit like, subscribe, all those amazing things. And if you want to, if you made it to the end of this video and you want to earn some fuzzy coin SLP token on the Solana blockchain, make sure you hit the details below in our description. Make sure you hit up and sign up to a social connector account. All you need is a password and an email address, and that's it. You will then have an account on there, and I can drop you fuzzy coin if you want to take that out of your wallet there and into your own non-custodial wallet. You totally can do that. Social connector is a SaaS that powers all of our ecosystem, gates the community, does the drops, everything. So if you want that fuzzy coin, I need you to get social connector and I can send you the coin. Also, make sure that you hit up our newsletter and join our Discord below. Come into our Discord. We're there. You can contact me. You can talk to me. Our community is there to support you on your journey in Web3. Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you hit those details below and watch some more of my videos. Take care. Bye-bye.